Because of coronavirus pandemic, many countries are in dire need of ventilators. So we would like to show you a plan of how to make an improvised, inexpensive and easy to make ventilator. First, you will need an arms and legs, motorized arms and legs exercise machine, pump ventilator, and later I will show you the pedal assembly. First, we drill holes on the board and hold down the machine with zip ties. To hold the pump in position, we use socks, screws, and washers. You may use any material that gives and does not scratch or abrade the pump. Here, I do recommend you use a washer so the nail or screw does not cut or shred the socks or bungee cord or resistant band. And here, the other side, same. Please notice the pump has two sides, one with a larger ring, the other side with a smaller ring. You will want to keep the smaller ring on the downstroke side of this pedal and the larger ring on the upstroke side. This way, the pump is more stable. So now let me show you the pedal assembly. We wrap newspaper around the pedal. And then insert with a 2.5 inch PVC pipe to make this pedal round. More newspaper to adjust and enlarge the diameter. And then socks to hold the newspaper together. So let me show you this improvised machine works. The machine is now running at 14 cycles per minute. So this bike is about $80 on Amazon. Together with the pump and the rest of the assembly, the total cost is about $100 US. This bike has two sides, two pedals, so if you copy the pump assembly onto the other side, then you have one machine driving two ventilators. I hope this design can help. Thank you for watching this video and good luck out there.